Let's say that you are in fact in a new country and you want to buy a really nice pizza. You go on Google Translate, you would switch into Japanese. In my beautiful language it's called Japonski, and then you say something like, I want to buy a pizza. Or in Japanese it would be
ピザを買いたい。
That's so beautiful. Even though if I'm in Japan, I probably wouldn't buy a pizza. But in this video, you actually learn how to make money from Google Translate. So in this video, you learn the exact process behind making money automatically with Google Translate. It's very simple, simpler than you actually thought, and you don't need any extra skills. Actually, you don't need any skills. You just gotta know how to type in Google Translate, and you won't even be typed. And with the right strategy that you can scale, you can even make over $1,000 per day, but you need a little bit of a lateral mind to scale it. It's very interesting, you learn. But you know what? I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So subscribe if you're new and like this video or die. And you know what? I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, or YouTube channel, comment section down below. I'll put it in the awesome, I'll catch it, put it in the awesome jar, and then I'll shout it out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so basically, you gotta learn how to do transcription. And I'll do something like English here. I don't care about the language, but I'll say something. This is how transcription works. You just allow Google to use your microphone, and when you speak very clearly, like this, even when you are a foreigner, look how perfectly Google actually gets my words. This is perfect. So based on this transcription that they do, you can make money, and I'll show you how. You go on Google and type in get paid transcribing. There's a bunch of websites like Transcribe Me, Ref, Go Transcript, and let me show you some of them. For example, Go Transcript, you can make 60 cents per audio or video minute. On average, people are making 1.2K a month, and we can probably make that in a day if we run 30 Google Translates on 30 computers doing that. And all you gotta do is listen to audios on any of these websites. It's very simple. Again, this is an OBS tutorial. Just join the team, join our team on any of them. Just sign up on, it's apply now here, and then you choose the language. They give you the audio and you just turn the sound on, right? Click this and it will automatically make you money. Maybe you need to edit a word or two, but you can actually scale it. This is good. And on multiple computers. But just isolating the sound. There's a lot of ways, and I know you can make it better than a lot of other people. I don't want to share my way because I don't want it to get leaked, but it's a very good idea that a lot of people are actually using to make money right now, today. If this video helped you out, again, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. On this channel, we have a lot of videos that can help you grow your personal brand or make money. So by the end of these videos, make sure you check one of these videos out. And remember, this is not financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Listen, I'm trying to speak as fast as I can. And again, watch the video, mate.